Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about CJ Dropshipping and how it can be useful for eBay dropshippers. CJ Dropshipping is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from a variety of suppliers without having to carry any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your eBay store, CJ Dropshipping will ship the product directly to your customer on your behalf. There are a number of reasons why CJ Dropshipping is good choice for eBay dropshippers. First, CJ Dropshipping offers a wide variety of products to choose from, so you can find products that are relevant to your target audience. Secondly, CJ Dropshipping offers competitive prices, so you can make a good profit on your sales. Thirdly, CJ Dropshipping is a good reputation for providing fast and reliable shipping. If you are planning to use CJ Dropshipping for eBay dropshipping, you will need to create an account with CJ Dropshipping and connect your eBay store to your CJ Dropshipping account. Once you have done that, you can start browsing the CJ Dropshipping product catalog and adding products to your eBay store. Here I am going to give you some tips for using CJ Dropshipping for eBay dropshipping. Choose products that are in high demand and have a high profit margin. Make sure to write clear and accurate product descriptions. Offer competitive prices. Provide fast and reliable shipping. Offer excellent customer service. CJ Dropshipping is a great option for eBay dropshippers who are looking for a wide variety of products, competitive prices, and reliable shipping. If you are interested in trying out CJ Dropshipping, I recommend signing up for a free account and browsing the product catalog. You may be surprised at how many great products you can find to sell on your eBay store. CJ Dropshipping is a great option for eBay dropshippers who are looking for a wide variety of products, competitive prices, and reliable shipping. If you are interested in trying out CJ Dropshipping, I recommend signing up for a free account and browsing the product catalog. You may be surprised at how many great products you can find to sell on your eBay store. Try out CJ Dropshipping with ease and confidence to increase your income. You can sign up for this CJ Dropshipping site like any other websites. After filling in your details, you will receive a confirmation code to your email. Check your spam folder if you don't receive the code. After you have confirmed your email address, you will need to fill in a user questionnaire. Important because it will help CJ Dropshipping to match you with the right suppliers. Be sure to fill in all the details accurately, including your platform name, how many orders you expect to process per day, and the item categories you are interested in. CJ Dropshipping integrates with a wide range of platforms, so you are sure to find a way to connect your store to their service. CJ Dropshipping is a great way to start your own dropshipping business because they offer a wide range of products, competitive prices, and fast shipping. Using CJ Dropshipping for eBay dropshipping is a great way to start your own online business without having to invest in inventory. With CJ Dropshipping, you can start selling products on eBay right away with minimal upfront costs. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about CJ dropshipping or eBay dropshipping in general, please leave a comment below. Thank you.